Taylor Sheridan, the guy behind Yellowstone, is a man on a quest to explore new horizons of the Yellowstone Ranch. The brilliant television producer has created an empire around romantic drama, tough guys, and cowboys, producing TV's most tremendous success in years and widely successful spin-offs. The prequels, 1883, which appeared in 2021, and 1923, which aired on December 18th, are well known to franchise fans. We heard Yellowstone 6666 so much so that we thought it would be a major part of the Yellowstone 2023 series, but it turns out that the creator has begun work on the new Yellowstone spin-off series called 6666. The show will focus on the lives of cowboys who work and reside at the 6666 Ranch in Texas. We can pronounce it as 4 sixes, as in we heard about in Yellowstone 2. We, the fans of Yellowstone, have already seen this farm. This farm was initially featured in season 4 when underperforming ranchman Jimmy was brought there to try and sort himself out. It was mentioned again in season 5, episode 7, when John Dutton thought about sending his farm animals there for the winter, and Beth was motivated to begin selling beef under the Yellowstone brand after visiting the 4 Sixes successful website. But to our greatest surprise, that was some skillfully done in-show promotion for an internationally best-selling business that the Sheridan co-owns, wasn't it? So, we've gathered all the information about 4 Sixes. Keep watching as we're going to share everything. Hey, before we do this together, subscribe and press the bell icon. Why this name? The property was allegedly won by Samuel Burnett in a game of cards with 4 sixes. His heirs dispute that, claiming that the ranch's word actually derives from the reality that Burnett stamped 4-6 on the back of his first herd of cattle. Instead of saying 6666 or 6666, you say 4 sixes. You might be pleasantly surprised that it took Sheridan so long to realize 4 sixes storytelling promise after learning about its historical reality. After the ranch's former owner tragically died in 2020, Sheridan bought the 4 sixes ranch in May 2021. This was the ranch's only sale in more than 150 years. It covers 3 counties and more than 450,000 acres in Texas, and was founded by the rancher and oilman Samuel Burnett in 1900. Burnett went away in 1922, and his great-granddaughter and Winfor Marion received the property after him. What would the Yellowstone 4-6 be released? Till now, the release dates have not been released. A profile on Taylor Sheridan decided to offer some optimism for fans wanting to see more of her Texas ranch in November ahead of Yellowstone's Season 5 release. The show is scheduled to launch sometime in 2023, according to The Atlantic, which doesn't give into depth about the show's destiny. Nonetheless, the most